Et salut à tous, c'est Kenzo et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le 20e épisode du Let's Play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Bon, alors dans l'épisode précédent, on avait fait évader John de prison et Dutch, voilà, il commence à mettre en place son nouveau plan pour nous sortir de ce guêpier. Mais bon, son plan a l'air complètement mais catastrophique. Parce que dernièrement, le mec a quand même tué. C'est quoi déjà son nom? Cornwall. Parce que juste il nous recherchait, mais déjà qui nous. Déjà qui s'est dit, ah, c'est la merde, mais maintenant c'est encore plus la merde depuis qu'il l'a tué. Surtout en plus qu'il veut même pas s'arrêter là, il veut aussi se prendre à sa. Il veut aussi s'en prendre à sa station de pétrole et tout, enfin toutes ces conneries. Donc là, on va continuer l'histoire et on va voir. Donc déjà, on a reçu une lettre. On va aller voir ça tout de suite. Alors, ne vous en faites pas, les gars. Il y a un mec un peu bizarre dans la rivière. Il veut pas qu'on l'approche, donc je l'ai pas approché. Hein. J'ai respecté ce qu'il m'a dit, c'est tout. Bon, par contre les gars, l'ambiance elle est vraiment pesante hein, dans cet environnement. Bon alors, examiner une fleur. Pas très belle hein. Je la trouve même dégueulasse. Examiner la lettre, alors.
Dear sir, you were once very kind to Beau and myself, and it pains me to ask you to show us further kindness. But I have nowhere else to turn, and nobody else upon whom I can impose. I will of course pay you handsomely for your troubles. My family have turned quite mad and are threatening to send me away to stop my work, which they say is disgracing them. As if their history of absolute moral depravity, utter debauchery, and perpetual drunkenness did not disgrace them enough. I must escape, yet I am kept prisoner here. Can you help? Most days I am to be found at the cabins on the plantation. The main house and all it stood for are thankfully no more. Yours faithfully, Penelope Braithwaite.
Ok, je m'en souviens, dans le chapitre 3, on va aller l'aider. Ça peut être pas mal de continuer ces quêtes là, on va faire un peu de quêtes secondaires. Il y a même la dette, en vrai. C'est où? Ah, c'est là-bas. Bon, vous savez quoi? On va aller prendre la dette. Et après, on va... Ouais, et après, on va aller aider Pénélope. Parce qu'à mon avis, on peut toujours gagner un petit truc hein, avec sa famille. Parce qu'à mon avis, je pense qu'ils ont planqué... à mon avis, les rumeurs d'or, moi j'y croyais moi les rumeurs d'or qu'il y avait dans leur manoir. Mais à mon avis, ils les ont planquées autre part. Hein. Donc, ouais. Donc à mon avis, je pense qu'on peut peut-être essayer de gagner un petit truc. En plus, je les ai aidés, ils sont gentils, ils sont cool. Hein. Vraiment. Oh putain, vous avez vu ce qu'il y avait? Il y avait un putain de corps qui était pendu. Quand je vous dis que cette partie là de la map est pesante quoi, il y a une ambiance pesante, oppressante. Je vous mentais pas. Hein. Ah, par contre, les effets de lumière ici. Pff. Oh là là. On va couper. Ah bah c'est bon. Enfin je suis dans une région où je suis pas recherché, où j'ai aucune prime. Ça faisait longtemps. Ah moi je paye pas les primes, je vous le dis. Hein. Ça coûte trop cher. Mais tiens, je me rappelle ici, c'est qu'on allait chasser le grizzly légendaire avec Ozea au tout début du jeu. Allez, trouver John Weather. Bon. Alors là, bon, on peut voir qu'il y a un... Ok. Il est là, ouais, c'est obligé, c'était obligé qu'il y ait... Ah mais il est là, ok. J'ai même pas vu. Je pensais qu'il était caché derrière, confronté.
J. John Weathers.
They call me Snow Goose now.
Whatever they call you. You borrowed money off of Leopold Strauss. The bills come due.
This ain't the best time, sir.
This ain't the best time for anyone.
Mr. Strauss knew it was a long-term proposition.
The debt is due.
Okay. I got supplies meant to last through the winter. You can take them, just... Is there any way you can help me? I stay out here, there won't be anyone to pay you.
I ain't here to help. I'm here to collect. We're all of us up against it.
Look, there's men after me. They're killers. I ain't a deserter, just an objector. It ain't right. If there was another way than running, I need your help.
Shut up.
Please. Up here, it's him. It's too late.
Oh,
I clear off, sir.
voilà.
Shit. Well, seeing as I'm here, I'll do what I can for you.
C'est qui ces mecs? Wow. Attends, mais ils sont plus nombreux que ce que je croyais. Oh merde, ils ont mis feu à son chariot. Super.
It's all right, my darling. You can come out.
Ah mais...
I probably should have helped you fix the damn wagon.
We could probably still save something.
Really now?
Look, you can take the silver locket for the debt.
Je l'annule.
Damn
Oh,
the dad.
c'est-
Get her somewhere safe. Go on.
J'annule.
Thank you.
J'avais
fella.
pas en fait toutes les...
You know, there ain't enough kindness in this world, that's for sure. But you,
I don't know nothing about kindness.
Oh, et l'honneur, comment ça m'a fait monter. Je pouvais pas savoir que le mec il se trimballait avec une femme
Okay.
indo-américaine enceinte. Donc ça, je pouvais tout sauf savoir. Donc tout de suite annuler la dette. Parce que là, je vais le dire, ils en avaient vraiment bien plus besoin que moi. Ok, faites ce que Penelope vous demande dans sa lettre. Ok, bon, par contre, on va je vous dire, on va faire du déplacement rapide. C'est un peu long. Alors, je crois parce que je peux me téléporter directement au manoir Braithwaite. Voilà, on peut se téléporter directement au manoir Braithwaite. Et ça, c'est bien. Ah oui. C'est vrai que je l'avais pas revu depuis longtemps le manoir depuis qu'on l'avait brûlé, mais bon. Ça a plus la même dégaine qu'avant. Hein. Après il reste encore tout le terrain en vrai. Hein. À l'arrière qui est énorme.
Oh, you came. You came. You finally came.
I came.
Oh, thank you, you lovely, lovely man.
Calm down, miss.
Oh, come on, let's go. We ain't got a minute to lose. They killed her. They killed Miss Calhoun. All she wanted was a better lot for women, and they killed her, those pigs.
Who killed her?
I don't know. My cousins, probably, or Beau's. You met them. They're animals. Not even animals. Monsters. Monsters, if God had lost all his powers of imagination. Can you please take me to the train station? Beau'll be waiting.
Bo, why couldn't he come and rescue you?
Well, if they saw me and him together, they'd lynch him and send me off to a nunnery. Or maybe they'd lynch us both. I ain't quite sure. They do so love hanging folk.
Where you heading?
Up to Boston.
Good. Yeah, I like you up there. Come on, let's go.
Of course.
Allez, allez à la gare de Rhodes. Elle va pas retrouver Beau et Gray là?
Just get me to Rhodes Railway Station.
Okay, let's try and get you a train. Beau's just waiting at the station in the hope you'll show up, or I'll show up to help you show up.
He goes to there every day he can. Makes up some excuse or other. I said he would see me there one day soon, and today he will. God willing.
Well, if he's there, that's true love, all right.
I've hardly seen him since the rally. They watch me so carefully, and he's waited, or so his letters say. Our families won't let us out. And then all that business with Aunt Catherine and my cousins. You saw the house. And then Lee Gray and those boys killed. So much bloodshed. You'd think this could be a new beginning, but everyone left alive. They're even more angry.
Maybe anger's a complicated thing to let go of.
Something good has to come out of this awful, awful feud.
That's what I've been hoping.
Beau and I have to be better. Our families were here for years and years. Sometimes I feel like we can't just leave death and pain and ruination behind us.
Plenty before you have. Plenty will again. But, yeah, as far as it goes, get out. Don't look back.
Je sais pas pourquoi ça me prend toutes mes armes là. Laisse mes armes tranquilles, le jeu.
Decent of your lives.
Je vais en sortir.
There he is. Oh, it's him. Will you ride on the train with us a little, just to the first stop?
Fine.
Bah, tout dépend jusqu'où il va en fait. Mais bon. Si à Boston, ça va être vers l'est, logiquement. Direction Saint-Denis à Nesbourg.
My sweet, my best of men.
Oh, hardly a man at all. But I love you, Penelope Braithwaite. Sir, how can we ever repay your kindness?
Some of them jewels would do just fine.
Ouais, ouais.
Beau, Arthur's gonna join us. I think we need the support. Please, could you buy the tickets, dear Mr. Morgan? We can't chance being seen.
Sure.
Thank you. We'll meet you on the platform.
Can I have 3 tickets to Saint Denis, please, sir?
Of course.
Ça le donne.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello, Alden. I hope all is well.
Not terribly, but good to see you.
Hey, cousin. No, hey,
Oh,
no, you ain't slow. Penelope, get back.
Excuse me,
faut
Alden.
toujours que ça soit.
Here, get on the train. Get your bags, miss. I got this.
Come here, you.
Allez, je m'en occupe.
With pleasure, you
Allez.
goddamn fool.
Allez.
You wanna come back here?
Ah, ça fait longtemps, un petit combat corps à corps là.
We should have
Hop
done
là.
this last time.
Oh.
Get on the train, Bo.
Comment je fais pour les attraper déjà?
Four
ACF.
fists and maybe one brain between you. You'll
Oh.
get hurt, cowboy.
Ouais, mais ils me prennent à deux.
Scott.
Oh là là.
If that is his real
Oh là là. Oh là là. Oh là là, mais les combats au corps à corps ils sont incroyables dans ce jeu, j'avais oublié.
Please, get on!
Je suis surtout de le faire ce que.
Work much.
là. Bon débat. J'arrive. C'est bon. Tranquille.
Hello, future.
All right, all done. That is quite a family you got there.
Il m'a mis
son.
un coup le mec. Regarde la dégaine d'archer.
Then again, my uncle used to keep his own half brother as a slave, so what do you expect? Good manners?
My uncle used to say things were better the way they were when he could rape and kill with impunity, and he didn't have to work a day in his life.
Both our families. There's good people in this county, but our families bullied them and drove most of them off, whites as well as blacks, all over this silly feud.
Well, how to life.
Oh, my lord.
Non, c'est une dinguerie là.
Oh, I think it's my second cousin.
What is with it with all these goddamn cousins?
I think they found out about the jewels.
All right, keep your heads down. I'll deal with this. Jules?
Waouh, ok. Comment ça se fait que j'avais déjà fait cette mission avant, je comprends pas.
Jules in the state, the amount of your cousins here.
They were above us, on the hill.
Oh, man! Penelope Braithwaite, this ain't about no star-crossed lovers. She's robbed her own family blind. Oh, good for her, I guess. I killed her!
Ah mais ils sont... Oh mais c'est quoi? Ils sont combien dans leur putain de famille là? Allez c'est bon. Je pense qu'ils ont eu leur compte. Merde, attends mais il se passe quoi?
All right, it's over. Look,
Mais le train en marche?
is that the driver?
Ah ouais, faut tout faire soi-même. Jack, je paye les billets, mais en plus je dois conduire le train.
What will you do?
Après, est-ce que ça me dérange? Ça peut être marrant de conduire le train.
Did run. Mind me to rob your trains, mister.
Ah, vous savez, cette mission, bah alors, c'est une mission principale pour moi. Franchement, ça pourrait tellement être une mission principale. Ça choquerait même pas. Pour une quête secondaire, comme on est bien travaillé. Non, mais dans le jeu, même les quêtes secondaires, elles explosent les 3/4 des quêtes principales de tous les autres jeux. Même sur GTA 5, les quêtes de secondaire GTA 5, il y en avait peut-être qui étaient un peu chiantes, surtout celles où faut récupérer des collectibles et tout, faut détruire des trucs à travers des certaines parties de la ville, ou même toute la ville des fois, ou même toute la map presque. Il faut récupérer tous les vaisseaux, les morceaux de vaisseaux pour Omega. Après je trouve que ça restait quand même plutôt cool à faire. Les personnages étaient intéressants, divers, drôles. D'ailleurs je pense que je vais terminer le 100% de GTA 5 en vidéo, je pense que ça pourrait être pas mal. Parce qu'il me reste encore quelques quêtes à faire. Comme je disais, dans le let's play on avait commencé les quêtes Epsilon. Je pense que ce serait bien qu'on les termine. Les quêtes Epsilon, il y a aussi le meurtre de Leonora Jameson, c'est des trucs que j'ai pas fait. Hein. Donc j'aimerais bien les faire avant la sortie de GTA 6. Puis après peut-être que je ferai une vidéo sur tout ce qui est mystère GTA 5 parce que bon, le mystère GTA 5 c'est quand même un truc de fou. Quand même un truc qui a quand même fait beaucoup de bruit à sa sortie. Et je suis quand même pas obligé d'en parler si je veux bien vraiment compléter tout ce que j'ai fait sur cette chaîne YouTube avec GTA 5. Parce que là j'ai fait le mode histoire, mais bon si je pouvais faire toutes quelques quêtes secondaires et parler du mystère ce serait pas mal. Puis qui sait, peut-être que je ferai des vidéos sur le mode online. Déjà, je trouve que Red Dead Redemption 2 il a une bande son fou, mais GTA 5 quand même. Moi je trouve que je suis désolé, mais la bande son de GTA 5, je parle pas vraiment des musiques qui sont dans les radios, mais les musiques quand on est en mission, quand on est en jeu et tout, je suis désolé, mais elles sont juste trop bien quoi. Il y a aucun jeu qui équivaut ça. Donc j'ai hâte de voir ce qu'ils vont faire sur GTA 6. Les équipes de Tangerine Dream, mixage par Tommy Love Senia, et après je sais plus ce qui est déjà les
Why
autres.
have we stopped?
It's
Je crois qu'il y en a
best
encore
you
deux
go
autres,
on
mais je vais là.
alone
Non.
from here.
Mr. Arthur, I didn't know you could drive a train.
Neither did I. But if I'm honest, it was kind of fun. And I didn't kill any of us. Well, I killed some of your relatives, but they would have killed all of us.
You are a gentleman, sir.
Oh, no, I ain't.
Yes, you are. Here, I ain't got much money, but these sapphires are worth a lot of money. Old family heirloom.
That Braithwaite treasure.
Oh, est-ce que je le prends ou je le refuse? Oh, le dilemme, attends. Oh, le dilemme. Moi j'ai envie d'être gentil et tout, j'ai envie de leur laisser. Mais putain, mais après tout ce qu'on a fait dans le chapitre 3 là, tout ce qu'on a fait, j'aimerais bien toucher un peu une part, vous voyez? Allez, je le prends, c'est bon. J'ai déjà accepté, j'ai refusé un truc tout à l'heure, j'en accepte un.
Thank you. Now, let's get you off to Boston before any more of your relatives show
Oui,
up.
moi, regarde de travers, c'est eux qui m'ont proposé. Hein.
Hey, you there? Yeah? This couple is heading up north to the Boston line. They got money, they'll pay you on arrival. That work for you? Yeah, sounds fine. Get on in. Hey,
On touche enfin au trésor des Braithwaite.
I wouldn't be much of a stage driver if I didn't. Goes everywhere I do. Hey! Miss Braithwaite is gonna hold on to this until arrival. On account of the treasure on your person.
I don't know how to thank you.
You're a fine man, sir.
Just get out of here. I'll leave. Yeah!
Un amour sincère 5. Bon, vraiment, pour une petite mission secondaire, j'ai pris plus de plaisir que sur certaines missions principales du jeu. Bon. On va aller voir Micah là, voir ce qu'il a nous proposé, ce truc dégénéré là au plan foireux. Vous avez des courriers ou des colis oh, vous pouvez l'écrire dans un bureau de poste. Bon, moi, excusez-moi. J'ai payé les primes, mais bon, j'ai pas envie de payer de primes. Invité du maire le mieux, il y a 8 jours. Il m'a invité le maire le mieux.
Why don't you just do your job?
Mais 1800.
Of course, sir. Sorry. It's just a polite request, is all.
Quoi? Attends, mais le mec, j'ai littéralement fait un bordel dans sa ville. Il veut que je vienne le retrouver, mais c'est. C'est qui ce mec? Regarde, je recherche. C'est quoi? On ira voir ça la prochaine fois parce que là, j'aimerais bien avancer un peu dans l'histoire. Donc, on va aller voir Micah, bien évidemment.
All these folks coming and going. Be seeing you.
Allez, le cheval.
Boy.
Super, mais c'est bien les grands espaces, mais là, je suis dans quoi peut-être? Dire que là, il n'y a pas assez de place pour faire un camp. Ah, voilà. Là, je sais pas, un truc repère. Ah, je crois que c'est ça. C'est à côté de Van Horn que ça se passe dans tous les cas. Donc, on y va. Oui, on va commencer à un peu skipper parce que dans mon souvenir, cette émission, elle rigole quand même un peu sfèche cette émission. Ah, mais il faudra, oui, dans cette émission, il y a un dialogue alternatif. Je vais essayer d'avoir le bon dialogue, sinon je passe un peu. Ah, je vais pas spoil. Pour ceux qui savent déjà, je pense qu'ils connaissent. Il me traitait de crash poumon, j'imagine, comme d'hab. Attends, porte mes armes. Nettoie-moi ça, s'il te plaît. Non! Non, non! J'ai fait. On me dit pas que j'en ai perdu un. Genre, j'ai fait un fait avec une touche, ça a annulé le tout. Non, on me dit pas que j'en ai perdu. On me dit pas que j'ai perdu de l'huile pour arme bêtement là, comme ça. Ça me rendrait fou.
Ah, there he is. Old Black Lung Morgan. Shut up. Was you followed? Excuse me? Was you followed? You know who you're talking to.
I ain't sure. I ain't sure about much no more. All I know is there's law whenever you're around.
Is that so? Because it seems to me that since you've been riding with us, there ain't been nothing but trouble. Stirring things up all the time, getting in Dutch's ear. Seems wherever you is, there's Pinkertons and vice versa. So you better watch your goddamn mouth, boy! Or...
Take it easy, cowboy. You're gonna do yourself a mischief way you're heading.
Micah, shut it!
He started it! Dutch says we is to go on with plans to create a diversion. We gotta get some explosives to blow up the bridge. Keep the army out of here a few days.
I think it's a real bad idea.
I don't think Dutch cares too much what you think.
That's clear.
We gotta confuse him one last time. Then he and I will head to Blackwater, collect the money, and help everyone leave. He's got a boat lined up.
Blackwater's a fool's errand. Everyone knows it. Even a greedy moron like you.
It's Dutch's choice, Arthur. You're just a senior gun, same as the rest of us. Only you ain't well.
I'm fine.
Then you'll do Dutch's bidding, which is robbing a stage that's coming from Annisburg full of explosives.
Rob a stage. All we seem to ever do is rob a stage, you and me.
Not me, you two. I got my own planning to do. You boys got this.
Shit. Guess we have. Come on, Arthur.
And Cowpoke, you take it easy. You could do with a vacation, hmm?
Ah, il devient infernal, Mika.
All right, let's go.
Oh, le mec, je sais pas, mais il a reçu, je sais pas, il a reçu d'augmentation dans son grade ou quoi, là, dans la bande?
Micah says we should jump it as soon as it comes through Van Horn. So you're taking orders from him now?
Ah,
I'm taking
puis...
orders from Dutch, same as always.
Oh, c'est qui ça?
Hey, hold up a second.
Pinkerton.
Pit patrol, over
Bah
there.
tiens, regardez.
Okay,
par hasard, c'est quand il est là.
I think we're clear. Let's head off. So, you was just talking about something.
Oh, les musiques.
A pair of them are becoming unhinged. You hear about Dutch killing Cornwall? Well, that needed to be done. Right now? With the Pinkertons breathing down our necks? See, I'm starting to think that you've gone soft, Morgan. Okay. Let's hold up here. Hold! So, wagon will be coming from that way. Down from Annisburg. It'll take the two of us to stop it completely, or it'll never get done. So, I was thinking, you go play dead, and I'll take care of him.
No, I'm the better shot, and you're the better actor. No, you play dead, and I'll cover you.
I got that. I got that.
Je peux faire ça, ouais.
Oh, that's them coming now, I think. It'll be quite the show.
Allez, nous on se met en position. Ah, le fusil Carcano. Alors lui, il est bien. Parce qu'il est vraiment bien. Il est vraiment très bien parce que lui, du coup, c'est vraiment un chargeur de 6 balles qu'il y a à l'intérieur. Et donc, contrairement au Rolling Block, on recharge pas à chaque coup tiré. Et qu'il est habile. Il va y avoir quand même beaucoup d'ivrognes dans cette ville, hein. Beaucoup de mecs bourrés.
Go on. Use place. These people. Move, you idiot! Move! Come on, let's get you out of.
Oh, il fait un bruit quand je tire. Merde. Non, me dis pas que j'ai fait. Voilà, c'est bon. Tranquille. Je crie plus fort. Hein.
All right, let's see if we can get this back to camp without blowing ourselves up. Nice shooting back there.
Ah, c'est bon.
Nice drunk playing.
Il m'a dit que j'avais bien visé, et en fait, si je tue un innocent, parce qu'il y avait des innocents, il a dit putain, mais t'es un peu cinglé quoi.
Never goes easy no more, does it?
Attends, mais j'ai encore ce. Attends, mais j'ai encore mon point rouge. Ok, bon. Heureusement que je passais dans la bonne direction.
Oh, shit! Deal with them, Arthur!
Ouais, vas-y, pilote.
Hey,
On est-
son, and quick! They get off one good shot and I'll blow us both to King's Tongue! I thought there was no law in paying for it.
Is that really
Whoa.
minor right now, Bill?
God damn it! Still more behind us! Damn it! You need to take them out,
Diminuer,
Arthur!
c'est la vulnérable, c'est la. Ok, si la cargaison est endommagée.
On our right, Arthur! We can deal with this! We're leading them right back to camp!
What do you think I'm doing? Okay. I don't see any more.
All right. Oh, that was close. Don't reckon I'm cut out to be a dynamite wagon driver.
Killing a bunch of folks so we can rob some dynamite, blow up a bridge. This make any sense to you?
It's a distraction, so it ain't meant to make sense.
It should to us. It's our plan.
You know, I've had it with the Mona.
Ah, mais depuis quand lui il râle plus? C'est une dinguerie. J'ai jamais vu ça.
There's Micah up ahead.
Great. Whoa!
So, you got it?
We got it. Yes, we got it.
What's wrong, Arthur?
Nothing at all, boss.
John, go drive this over to Bacchus Bridge. Get it hidden near there.
He really does think he's
Bill.
in charge.
You go on ahead.
Ça,
I
hein.
need to speak with Arthur. Good work, son.
What's going on?
Listen, I know we ain't always seen eye to eye, and you find me irritating and a threat, and I like to annoy you. But right now, I need better from you, Arthur.
Okay, Micah. Whatever you say.
I ain't the bad guy you think I am, Arthur. But I am a survivor. Stick with me and you'll live. Oh, the bridge is probably a two-man job. You should probably go help Marston.
Why don't you?
Like I said, Dutch and I got planning to do for the train. There's a big picture here, Arthur. Trust me.
Ok. Bon, allez, on va continuer. On va aller voir le révérend Ranson. Mais là, Mickey il devient insupportable. A trop pris la confiance. Ah tiens, il est pas bourré pour une fois le révérend?
Reverend,
You okay, Mr. Morgan?
I don't know, Reverend.
These are challenging times for all of us.
Yes, very challenging.
You don't seem yourself somehow. I've always felt. I've left the morphine, sir.
Arthur, Reverend Swanson, would you excuse us a minute?
Of course.
New York. We are gonna go to New York. Now, they have been chasing us south and east and west. We're gonna get a boat, we're gonna get on a river, and we're gonna go north.
New York.
Then Tahiti, the Fiji Islands, or this place, New Guinea, dancing girls, freedom. But first, we have to make a whole lot of smoke, a whole lot of commotion. And then we disappear.
We need more commotion.
1 score and one whole hell of a lot of noise.
Pourquoi un bruit? Pourquoi un bruit de tous les diables? On peut plus faire un truc smart, tranquille, discret?
Sure, fine.
Pardon me for interrupting. I brought a friend, Arthur.
Hello.
Hello.
Dutch. This is Eagle Flies. His father is a great chief. Charles and I, we
Pretended to be mercenaries. Did me a great favor.
Dutch Vanderlyn. How do you do?
Not well, sir.
Well, I am sorry to hear that.
How's your father?
Father has confused wisdom with weakness. His people, my people. We've suffered too much. Been lied to too much. Now they've taken our horses.
Who?
The infantry division posted at Fort Wallace.
Why?
Colonel Favors is a liar and a murderer. His people won't stop until we're all dead. Without horses, we cannot hunt. Without hunting, we will starve. This is another act of war.
I see that.
Men have helped me before, and I have money.
Put your money away, son. What do you think, Charles?
You know I told your father I will not fight over some horses.
But I made no such promise. Come along.
Yeah, Arthur, we must go with them to try to stop things from getting out of hand.
I guess. Come along.
Ok.
We can get them more horses.
I know. I understand Eagle Flies is angry, but I don't see how this will help anything.
Especially not with Dutch whipping them up into a frenzy. We got enough folks coming after us without adding an army to the list.
Walk all over you? No, you're not. This is all that's wrong with this world. Okay, young man, lead the way.
The horses are on a boat near Van Horn. I have a man waiting for us there with some canoes.
Attends, là il veut... Ah bah attends, mais du coup si on les aide on va se mettre à l'armée. Attends, j'ai pas suivi, mais ouais. Du coup on aura aussi l'armée là qui va nous... J'ai oublié qui est là. Il y a aussi l'armée qui va donc nous faire face. Cornwall, la Pikirton et l'armée maintenant. Oh là là, ça fait beaucoup là.
This ends today. You have my word on that.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle vaut la parole de Dutch aujourd'hui?
Why are you getting involved in this, Dutch?
You know me. We shoot fellers as need shooting. We save fellers as need saving. Feed them as need feeding.
Not this again. It's been quite a while since we helped anyone but ourselves, and even you know that.
I told you. Noise. We need noise.
Du bruit, mais putain, mais il est con, il c'est pas possible. Du bruit. Mais laisse ça, mais.
Still don't know what that means.
Stop questioning and think. Just think for a second. The Pinkertons have had time to reinforce. The civilized world is closing on us. Who knows what else Molly told them? We need to move towards a conclusion now.
Sure, but what's this got to do with any of that?
Some good, honest conflict between the army and the Indians might be just the distraction we need.
Bon bah bon, c'est bien, mais faudrait pas qu'on soit mêlé à l'intérieur, parce que sinon la diversion, on est en plein dans la diversion.
Was funding the Pinkerton's assault on us. Why do you think I dealt with him? With Cornwall gone, the government is far more likely to divert them to other issues, especially if there's one more scandal. And then we can slip away.
Ah ok, j'ai compris son plan, mais bon. Le problème c'est si on participe à cette diversion, on va pas leur échapper comme ça. Hein.
For the chest I had hidden outside Shady Bell, and we're close, Arthur. That dynamite, the railroad contract with the army, it was all in those papers Micah found. I have a plan. You just have to trust me.
There's Peta.
His men, like I said, they'll help us.
I got the canoes. The boat is still moored in the channel.
Good. Let's wait until nightfall. All right. Let's head out.
Ok, maintenant on est en canoë.
We need to get that boat ashore. I think the best plan is to paddle up there silently, board her. And when we got control, we'll deal with that anchor, float away. We'll be ashore before anybody even knows what happened.
Good luck.
Pull up alongside, quietly.
Ok, je veux le faire lui.
Try not to kill anyone, Arthur.
Ok, on tue personne. Assommer discrètement, voilà. On la joue propre. Je crois qu'il y en a deux et un en haut là, juste. Ok, ok. Putain.
Oh, no, not again. Had a sniff of a good hand all night. I'll be retiring in the morning at this rate. Just deal, will ya? I'm in. Crazy. We can go higher than that.
Eh mais on s'en occupe comment de...
Damn it, no, I'm out.
Oh, la discrétion.
What the hell? Shep, we got a problem here. I found a body. We have attackers on board. Take it back. What's ours?
Live like they're meeting me.
Oh. Bon bah... Désolé, mais bon. Je voulais pas vous tuer à la base, mais c'est pas le choix.
Why are you shooting?
Boys, go find out about those horses down below. Arthur, deal with that anchor.
Oh, le mode mitraille quand même il fait mal. Hein. Là c'est la dynamite.
Think I have the first idea how this anchor works?
Just blow it up then. Hurry. Come on, Arthur.
You seem to be going pretty fast, Dutch.
I'm trying. We're headed to those rocks. Hold on.
Non mais voilà, mais bon, si on se met à couler des bateaux maintenant, mais...
What is wrong with you? Boys all right back
Non mais il sait
there?
plus ce qu'il fait ce mec.
So, but there's a huge hole in the boat. Horses
Oh.
spooked, and we're taking on water.
boys, get him out of here!
Eh, normalement, c'est nager un cheval.
Well, whatever else is wrong with you, you're quite the best pilot I've ever come across.
The horses are confused. We need to round them up. I'll get these four, Arthur. Can you go
Je prends le plus loin parce que je suis sûr que ce sera le moins chiant à trop. Oh non, parce que je vais prendre le plus proche. C'est vrai que je me fais chier à prendre le plus loin.
Over here, come on.
Seems like Uncle Sam likes you fellas even less than he likes us.
So it goes. My father doesn't want to fight again. Will one of you help me return the horses to my men?
Well, Arthur needs to rest. I will. I like you, son. And after the horses, are we gonna wait for the army to come and wreak its revenge?
I hope not.
Of course we ain't. Now let's go check out that fort of theirs.
Is this a good idea?
This is the only idea, and it is one that will suit both of our purposes.
Fighting the army ain't wise.
Stop worrying. Oh, and Sadie told me about Combe. Meet us at Doyle's Tavern in Saint Denis when you can. Shall we go, son?
Certainly.
We'll start some light reconnaissance out at Fort Wallace, and when Combs dealt with, you come meet us there. We'll set up a good spot for you.
I don't know, Dutch.
Yeah, well, I do. This is exactly the distraction that we need.
Your father said that fighting was an impossible gamble. There's no winning for you in this.
Father need not know anything. He'd rather live in ignorance.
Come along,
Your
gentlemen.
father would rather you did not do anything so foolish. I said I would stop this from happening. Would you talk to him?
Speak with Rangeful.
Yes. Would you?
Et ouais, on va l'aider.
Sure. I'll speak with him. You head on back to camp, check on the others. Dutch's behavior,
I understand. Thank you, Arthur.
Ah bah super, j'ai eu l'or en plus. Bien ça. L'émission. Bon, on va aller faire la mission de Sadie à Saint-Denis. Bon, ça va être pour Colm, à mon avis. Tiens, un petit bug, il n'y a pas la musique. D'habitude, il y a de la musique, mais là, il n'y a rien. Dans le déplacement rapide. Moi, je trouve que c'est mieux quand même ça en musique. Je trouve que ça rend le tout plus immersif. Bah si, la musique est là, mais bon. Ok, c'est lancé tellement en retard. C'est nouveau le fait que ça s'affiche en haut à droite, regardez. Non, finalement ça s'affiche. Nouveau ça. J'ai jamais vu, mais ce serait vraiment choquant que j'ai jamais vu ce truc là depuis 7 ans que le jeu est sorti, mais. Ah, qu'ils ont fait une petite mise à jour, ils ont rajouté ça. Ouais, attends, c'est en train de me.
Looking like a lady
Don't
won't
you
help
worry
us.
about me.
There you are.
Here I am.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go where? And why are you so riled up?
Today is a great day, Arthur. Today is the day they are going to hang Colm O'Driscoll.
That's so.
Rather they hang him or I shoot him.
Oh, they are gonna hang him.
Yeah, and not before time.
That boy's been on the gallows more than most. I wouldn't count anything until his neck's broke.
Well, nor would I. Which is why, despite us being wanted men, we're gonna attend the event ourselves.
And follow him onto the scaffold?
Well, let's hope not. But if I could see that son of a bitch breathe his last, I think I'd die a happy man. We are gonna disguise ourselves.
In this?
In this.
Ok. On s'habille en représentant de la loi.
Okay.
Come on.
Well, don't we just look the part?
We'll cut through the alley to get to the gallows. We keep our weapons holstered, our disguises on, and our wits about us.
Mrs. Adler, might I say, being a fancy woman of Saint Denis suits you.
I'd dress up like the Queen of Sheba if it meant seeing that son of a bitch swing.
Colm hung me up, nearly butchered me. That don't mean I'm comfortable in this woolen coat.
You made it out of that predicament, as I remember, Mr. Morgan. My husband weren't so lucky.
You lost your husband. I lost my darling Annabelle. That poor boy Kieran. We've all lost something because of Colm. And that is why we will shepherd him to eternity.
Ça sert à rien, mais bon. Parce que dans tous les cas, même s'il s'en sort, qu'est-ce que tu veux qu'il fasse?
Practice what you preach, brother.
Whatever do you mean?
Are you gonna keep your cool? Really? When you seem to lose it all so often now.
This doubting and questioning of yours, I miss the old Arthur.
Don't we all?
You two quit it. We all got a job to do, and we're all in rough agreement about how we're doing it. As far as I can tell.
Exactly.
We'll get it done, all right.
All right then. Come on. We got a hanging to witness.
Look here. Don't the public love an execution? Hey. All right. Good. Now, you see that pair of assholes?
Sure.
They're Colm's boys.
Yes, I think so.
What a surprise. I'm glad we're here. What are they pointing at?
I don't know. We gotta follow them and find out.
Yeah. Oh, here comes somebody. Stay here.
Don't do nothing.
Go brush that horse, officer.
Yes, sir.
The crowd came to see a show. We don't want
Ah, il est bien gradé, tiens, il a pris une tenue.
Guess they did miss their chance to see John swing by his neck.
Hey,
Il a la tenue du capitaine ou quoi?
you know I wasn't going to let it come to that.
I guess I don't know what I know no more.
And I guess this isn't the time to question either my decisions or yours. Here and now, Colm O'Driscoll's going to get his due.
Oh.
What's it look like? Bunch of cops. How many? Enough. So what do you think? Paul's up on the roof. Once he starts shooting, we have to have our wits about us and move fast.
Yeah. I guess we faced worse than this before.
Sure. Let's get to it.
Yeah.
So, they got a guy up on the roof overlooking the gallows. Find a way up there? Onto one of these verandas.
Par là, j'ai grimpé.
Through a building, maybe. And get him. And do it silently.
Well, obviously, I'm gonna do it silently. I want to see this bastard swing.
Bon, on va passer par là. mais bon, moi je préfère passer par terre.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Oh, mais il est incroyable cet intérieur, j'y étais jamais allé. Oh mais c'est fou. Ok, c'est bon, j'ai pris tout l'intérieur. Enfin, le moyen de pouvoir monter en hauteur à l'intérieur.
What's this then? Gun case.
Oh putain! Oh, j'ai pas vu. Merde. C'était chaud.
Any of us can remember, it is justice that separates us from barbary. Yet justice itself can at times be barbaric.
Tiens, il est là. Toujours je lui mets une tête.
The man is so savage. The only way to deal with him justly is by savagery. Colm O'Driscoll is one such man. He has
Ah, là les gars, mon doigt il peut tout de suite glisser sur le clic gauche de la souris, je tire.
stolen, raped, and abused for a decade across 5
Je tire sur la corde.
seemingly with impunity. Today, justice catches up with him.
As well you may. I've been a bad man.
Silence!
These charges are...
This is not a court where you shall be tried. This is a place where your sentence is to be carried out. And your sentence, Colm O'Driscoll, is that you are to be hanged by the neck until you are dead. This is not a task we take lightly. It is not a task we enjoy. But it is a task we must carry out if our civilization is to prosper. Gentlemen, are we ready? Colm O'Driscoll, may God, in his infinite wisdom, have mercy upon your soul. Whenever you are ready.
Now you know how it feels to watch somebody you love die. You ruined my life!
Elle est trop instable, ça c'est le problème.
If you can hear me, shoot some of these O'Driscolls.
Ah, c'est pas possible!
Well, we got him.
Let's just get out of here.
Go.
A letter came for you.
Oh, okay.
I know it's from that Mary.
Mary?
She ain't worth it, Arthur.
Who is?
My dear Arthur, you never showed up. And now, after looking at the newspapers, I understand why. I don't imagine you'll receive this letter, but I nonetheless must send it. Arthur. Oh, Arthur. I was just starting to dream the silliest and softest of dreams. I miss you, and I will always miss you. But I cannot live like that. And it seems you cannot live any other way. When I'm with you, the world makes sense, but when we are apart, I see clearly that your world is not a world from which one can escape. I'm so sorry for everything long ago, and for starting up that business again. There's a good man within you, Arthur, but he is wrestling with a giant. And the giant wins time and again. You've broken my heart again, and I fear I have broken yours. And for that, I will never forgive myself, but you must let me go now. I enclose a ring you gave me many years ago, when we were both young. Not because I don't like it, but because I care for it far too much, and it reminds me too much of you. I hope one day you will find some people in love who can use this, for it kept me thinking of you all these years, and I hope by returning it to you, I can finally be free. Goodbye, Mary.
Bon, bah les gars, on va s'arrêter là pour ce 20e épisode du Let's Play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu et moi, je vous dis à la prochaine.